Hello and welcome. This is Dasirafras from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about View Cube. Here at top right corner you can see this icon. This is View Cube. Now you can just perform various functions through this View Cube. For example, right now I just want to increase the size of this View Cube. For that, what I will do, I will right click here. I will go into View Cube setting, and from here I will uncheck this one, what automatic, okay, and then I can increase the size from here, and I will just drag down this one, okay, and you can see here the preview. Now it is going to large. Then what I will do, I will press OK. Now you can see the View Cube size is going to increase. Now you can see right now the object is on top view. We can see the top view of this object, and if you want to just see this object in isometric view, just what you have to do is you will just click here on the edges of this scale. Okay, I will click here. Now you can see this is in isometric view, southeast isometric view, and whenever you will click on these edges it will rotate. For example, I will just click on this edge. You can see it is going to rotate. For example, I just want to back of this object. I will click here on the back. You can see this. I will click here. Now this is the back view of this object. Now whenever I will just move this mouse cursor here, there are 4 triangles here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are different kind of views. For example, I just want to top view of this object. I will click on this triangle, okay. This is the top, okay, and whenever I will click on this triangle, you can see this is the left view, okay. Again, I want to just click on this one. This is back view, okay. Now here I just want to see the isometric, so I will click here for isometric view. From here you can just see the top view, left view, back view and any of isometric view as well. Now with this box you can see here one circle. You can just rotate with this circle as well. For example, I want to just rotate. I will just click here and I will hold my left mouse button and I will just drag the mouse here at left. Okay, you can see it is going to rotate, and whenever I will just drag it toward right, it is going to rotate on this direction as well. So this circle is going to use for rotation of any object as well. So this is all about View Cube. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.